professionally built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. This is the National Weather Service Office at Greenville, Spartanburg. Signal was a test of weather radio station. This broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Listeners notice usually more noticeable and greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous glosses and warnings. For station WXL70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Milan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard Storm Alert Test.